I'm HVAC repair guy, a former nuclear power electrician with 17 years in residential HVAC, fixing equipment after the salesman leaves and real ownership begins. Today we're comparing the Blueridge BRP7GE series and the Amana APGM3 R32 package gas electric unit. On paper, both heat and cool your home, but once you look past the brochures, there are important differences. Most homeowners think the biggest question is which unit has more features. In my experience, that's only part of the story. What really matters is what you'll spend owning it over the next 15 or 20 years. Blueridge is built for direct consumer purchasing without dealer restrictions, while Amana requires an authorized dealer for installation to protect its lifetime heat exchanger warranty. Both units are rated at 81% AFUE for heating and 13.4 SEER for cooling. AFUE is like your gas mileage. 81% means 81 cents of every dollar spent on gas turns into heat inside your home, while the rest goes out the flue. SEER measures cooling efficiency on electricity. Because both are entry-level single-stage units, your utility bills will be virtually identical. The Blueridge BRP7GE uses R454B refrigerant, while the Amana APGM3 uses R32. Both are modern, A2L low GWP refrigerants, but R32 is widely used globally with easier long-term parts availability in standard distribution networks. Both cabinets feature louvered coil protection to guard the outdoor aluminum fins from hail, yard debris, and lawnmowers. Inside, both use single-stage gas valves and single-speed blowers. Single-stage heat is like an on-off light switch. It runs at 100% capacity whenever there is a call for heat. It's simple, reliable, and uses inexpensive replacement parts down the road. What the brochure does not tell you is that installation quality matters far more than the brand name on the sheet metal. Cleaning the outdoor coil and inspecting the gas burners yearly prevents major breakdowns. Based on current distributor and dealer listings, the Blueridge BRP7GE equipment runs around $2,500 to $3,200 depending on tonnage, but you have to arrange installation. An Amana APGM3 typically runs between $4,500 and $7,000 fully installed through a professional HVAC contractor, while the upfront cost of the Blueridge looks lower. Paying a qualified technician to install the Amana covers professional labor and secures Amana's lifetime heat exchanger warranty, compared to Blueridge's standard 10-year parts and lifetime exchanger terms without dealer enforcement. The Blueridge BRP7GE is probably better for budget-conscious homeowners or landlords who have a trusted independent installer and want to source equipment directly. The Amana APGM3 is better for homeowners who want complete turnkey installation backed by a local dealer and maximum long-term warranty protection. If it were my house, I'd lean toward the Amana APGM3. The equipment itself is straightforward and reliable, but having a factory-authorized contractor handle the installation ensures the ductwork and airflow are right from day one, giving you better long-term value over 15 years of weather exposure.